Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today we will be teaching you a new word of the week! The word of the week is reindeer! Yay! Reindeer are deer of the tundra and subarctic regions of Eurasia and North America and have large branching antlers. Reindeer symbolize creativity, resourcefulness, knowledge, and magic. Reindeer also represent safety and endurance while traveling. Reindeer are relatively disease-free, and that means Santa can cross international boundaries without restriction on Christmas Eve using flying reindeer. Reindeer have many advantages over other domesticated livestock that makes them the perfect choice for pulling Santa's sleigh. You can also use reindeer in a sentence like this. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, is Santa's most famous reindeer. All right, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey, reindeer. If you liked our video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching, kiddos. Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week. Bye!